Hello, my name is Nellie Nelson, and I'm a fourth-year graduate student in the lab of Dr. Autumn Ivy. In our lab, we study mechanisms of early life exercise, and specifically mechanisms associated with epigenetics and transcription regulation. What is epigenetics? Essentially, it's how your genome is actually encoded or told which things are important and which things need to be expressed at different times. And so what we find is that with these early life experiences like exercise, the epigenome is actually altered dramatically. My project in particular centers on how we can use this early life exercise as actually a therapeutic, especially for children that have undergone early life adversity.
Hello, my name is Dr. Autumn Ivy. I'm an assistant professor and physician scientist here at UCI School of Medicine, and my lab's research studies the effects of early life exercise on brain development and brain function. Nellie Nelson is a T32 student in our lab, is very interested in the effects of early life adversity and the long-term consequences of experiencing early life adversity. What Nellie is finding in her results is that yes, there are these mechanisms, epigenetic mechanisms of exercise that we can influence to offset some of these long-term consequences of early life stress. Now, this work has a number of implications with regard to how we think about patients, specifically pediatric patients with chronic stress disorders or other neurological disorders that are associated with memory impairments. Can we use the exercise mechanisms, specifically the epigenetic mechanisms that we discover from exercise, to actually target cognitive dysfunction in these disorders and improve long-term outcomes? That's the ultimate goal, and Nellie's work from this T32 is going to inform those goals.
So I'm really excited to be a part of the Schneiderman T32. In particular, I'm really looking forward to actually learning more about neuroscience and neurobiology in the classroom. My training, I got my undergraduate at UC Davis in genetics, so I've been studying molecular biology for a long time. Now with my PhD, I'm really excited to take all of that background experience and apply it specifically to the neurosciences. So when I'm not in the lab, I'm at home spending time with my husband and our two adorable fuzzy children, my cats Mia and Lawrence, who bring us both a lot of joy and a lot of terror, as cats do. And when we're not spending time with our fuzzy children, we like to get outside, go hiking, go take walks on the beach, hang out with friends, play board games, just have a lot of fun together. I'm really engaged in the community and in teaching and in mentorship. So I'm actually the secretary for Reach Out, Teach Out, as well as the Science Fair Committee Chair for our Orange County Science and Engineering Fair students at Westminster and Santiago High School. So I really enjoy these mentorships opportunities where I can work with high school students in particular. I think they're just such a unique and engaging group of students to work with, and to see these young budding scientists getting interested in STEM so early in their careers and have these opportunities that, quite honestly, I wish I had when I was in high school is really quite amazing.